Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have been working on money holder cards that are birthday themed. I'm making these for my upcoming show, and I know I've already done a tutorial on those, and you can find those on my channel. I'll also post the link below in the comments so that you can see how I made those. But I made these a little different, and I wanted to share it with you. I'm using this Echo Park Party Time paper collection. The papers are really beautiful. I actually received this this pack in one of my mystery boxes, and so I was using those today to make these money holder cards. Also, I used this stamp set that I got at Michael's. I used this happy birthday and this happy birthday to go on the front, as you'll see when I show you the ones that I've made, and I will link that down below. A link to that if I can. I also use this 2.5 inch scalloped edge circle to make sentiments on the front. And I used this one as well. Now this is a really big one. I don't even know what size it is. It doesn't say. But this is, I'm not sure if I bought this from Michael's, if it's, or, no, I think I got these on Amazon. I'll link those below. Now, one of the differences between the birthday ones that I made today and the ones that I made for Christmas in the tutorial is, in the tutorial I showed how I punched a hole in the card and used ribbon to tie them shut, but I used, this is double-sided paper, and I wanted shoppers to be able to see the inside of these because they're really pretty. Now the Christmas ones that I made before, they were single-sided paper and just white on the inside, and so I'm going to be using these foam dots instead of using ribbon to hold them together. I didn't want to use Velcro because I didn't want to have people opening and closing them and maybe wrinkling the paper. So I'm going to use these dots. You just peel them off and they're like a sticker. And so they just put their money in there and write their sentiment inside and just peel it off and stick it together. So that's the difference between the ones I made today and the Christmas ones I made in the tutorial on my channel. Alright, so I'm going to show you the ones that I've made so far. And this is the collection. See, I put the matting on the inside. I didn't do the matting on the inside on the tutorial that I have on my channel because the inside was white and I really love the way this looked, so I wanted to share with you how these look because they're a little different. And I'll also post the measurements for this matting here once I'm finished. I really like the way the double-sided paper looks, and it makes them sturdier too. For the Christmas cards, I didn't feel like sturdiness was really important. Most people don't keep Christmas cards, but I know a lot of people keep birthday cards. I love the contrast of the paper. Now I could have used just the polka dots instead, but I just love the way that looks. Also, I used, I forgot to mention that I used black Archival ink to stamp the sentiment on the front. And this is the one I'm using. And then I just made some solids. You can see the pocket in there. Alright, and that is it. There's a green one, and that is it. That's all I've gotten done so far. I actually ordered some envelopes from Amazon that I think will fit these cards. I won't know until I get them in, and if they work, then I will put those in the description below. I had a hard time finding the size that I needed. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm going to be working on making some graduation cards, but I'm waiting on my graduation cardstock to come in, and maybe I'll share those when they come in. I'm also going to be making some Mother's Day and Father's Day cards, and hopefully I can get those posted soon. So I hope you were inspired by these birthday money holder cards, and thank you for watching.